Hello everyone and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to show you on how to enroll a user. On the home screen, I'm going to click on Management, Users, and in the Manage User screen, you are able to see all your current users. Select a user, click on Enroll User's finger. A user enrollment screen like this appears. Hi Danny. Posworx requires you to scan one finger on each hand 4 times to record an accurate print of your finger. Click Start to begin the enrollment process. Click Start. Count 1, count 2, count 3, count 4. It says your enrollment process was successfully completed. Close. And that is how you would enroll a user with a fingerprint reader. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.